Come May 22nd, Miami, New Rules, Reggae Fest. I see. Come May 22nd. Come to Miami. I'll show them do it. I'll video do it. Come talk about man do impact for dancer. Which impact?
You know, say from Alkaline do the Barkley show start, come like he make cartel and comfortable. You know, say the man can't tell America, yo, the man park up the Phantom, dog.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them love.
No, one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things. So people, you don't know Alkaline. Yeah, man, Kezia Center. Yeah, you don't know. Ready up, getting a ticket fast. You see it? Yeah, man, New Rules, Miami, man. You know it have a loud, man. The girls, them, girl good and masterpiece and everything. The whole works over there. You understand? So, we're getting the tickets, people. You don't know a thing set. Yeah, man, I want Media Fox, man. You see it? But, Ambassador, I go tell you what I want.
When I got the stage last night, I'm sick. Someone come with a Crashout. They are two superstars in Jamaica. You say boat and Vibes Cartel. That's a week.
Yeah, man, I saw it going on that. People have them opinion, them can say whatever they want, you know. Everybody know the reality. You see me? I saw it go. People are gonna say things with the internet hype and them little thing there. You see it, no mean said factual. You see it. That's one of them thing there.
I don't know graphic strong now. So what they are using a strong graphic. Come May 22nd, Miami, New Rules, Reggae Fest. I see.
Yeah, man, them was a superstar level, man. You see me? Impact we are set, boy. So we're going with Barclays. Have everybody talk about it and one bag of thing. Yeah, man, to go sell off, man. Me I tell you that. Just look and go see what I go on. You see it?
22nd, from Miami. I'll show them do it. I'll video do it. Come talk about man do impact for dancer. Which impact? Which impact I do for dancer? This is Skilly Pan Stage, man. I call Skilly Pan Stage today. Man, I call the Pan Stage today.
Yeah, man, I just say going on, bro. Them always have something to say and talk this and that. And you don't know the hype and the. I feel them opinion, you know. Them say what them want to say, you see me? Yeah, no, me, not sure them say it means it's factual and them thing there, is it? Yeah, man.
I don't know impact for dancer. We're bomb buck like that. We're not going to go on and go on exactly. But we see the impact. Hey, man, have a crowd that go on. Everybody know fever. Here. Come May 22nd. I look. Open the road. Rock Florida. Come May 22nd. I show open the rock Florida. I will not Cardi B the done. I will not say, I will not discourage the Cardi package now. But let's come May 22nd, let's say Alkaline alone in a concert. Go show them what we do. What the impact, Vinta movement to bring to dancehall. Because now I go like say, Cardi B call out Vibe Call Panted. And the greatest impact. And the greatest thing ever happen.
I saw it going on, bro. When Cartel do it, the greatest thing of history and all of them little thing there, brother. You see me? I just saw a thing set, bro. You see it? Yeah, man, people, so make sure you get on the ticket. You don't know Miami, Ticketmaster, and you mean Reggae Fest, all of them, you can go get a ticket, you see it? Yeah, man, because you can't miss it. The next moment, this is the vendetta boss, you see it? Yeah, man. So, you don't know, sure go mad, and you don't know the team always have something special, some surprising, you see it? So, all of them thing there, you see it? But me see a brother father out and talk a bag of thing in the people. I have to make you know what go on. Is it?
Serious note, you know. You know, say from Alkaline do the Barkley show start, come like he make cartel and comfortable. You know, say the man can't tell America, yo, the man park up the Phantom, dog. And jump down a yard, yo, because he said, boy, Alkaline and manage the ground. Take over the ground. You get me? I say, yeah, man, the king of dancehall and comfortable, man.
Yeah, man, I saw if you go. I'm not wrong him. You see me? I do for kind of, you know, stay relevant, you know, you see it? Yeah, man, if him say, Alka do a thing and he, you see me? I do. You see it? One of them things that is a brother way, you know? Him talented and thing, yes, but, you know, him love, when people talk about him love the attention, you see it? So, I have to do what I do. You see it? That keep him in the algorithm same way.
Man, tell the woman, say, yo, little more, man, because right now, you'll be losing crown. Yeah, man. For the man see Alkaline rake up the Barkley Center, man. Come like he get dizzy. Yeah, man, the man in the comfort zone, man. The man left out of the comfort zone and go back in the jungle, man. But I come like only Alkaline can judge cartel, man. On a serious note. Yeah, man. Cause he...
Yeah, man, are two great artists, them. You see me, and Alkaline is a man where him now too rare talking at the media and things like that, so one of them things there must be a reason. But make we see what going down the line.
Alkaline, we don't have a video shooting on the street, no. And Cartel come do back the same thing too. Come replicate the same thing, eh? Yeah, man, come on, Cartel. We see everything we are going, man. We see, say, you're trying to style Alkaline, you know. Alkaline, you know, car. Guess what? You go to the club and, you know, so guess what? You just buy out everything and show levels. A levels carry around still, you know.
And I always hear people talk about that liquor buying thing there in a club and one bag of thing. I mean, I feel just laugh, like, bro, like, at the end of the day, I'm son birthday and thing, and him a buy back. Let him. You see me, people might have call out about, yo, me no see no dancehall artists that do this, like, come on. The dancehall artists them can use the money to better things. Make other child and other family eat. We buy them some grocery and make them eat. Like liquor, it's just a one night thing. You see me? Liquor and I like say liquor health if we. If Cartel want buy whatsoever, it have nothing to do with that or it's artist them. You understand? Cartel I do what him a do. You see it? But me hear people always talk about yo, look there, other artists them now going and make car, going in a club, go buy now. Bro, that's not the artist's job to do. Cartel I do it off him own will. You see me? A Cartel that him do what him want do. No means that the other artists them follow. And right now, if other artists take up themselves and go do the same thing, who not gonna say them a follow Cartel? So it don't even make no sense, bro. You see me? It don't even make no sense. You see me? Prefer artists see a family we're poor and can't afford. Me prefer him give them a little money or something so them can take care of them family. Then if you go buy one, then if you go give buckle and all of them thing there and rum and them thing, that can't really do nothing for the people, you see me? So if Cartel want buy a buckle of liquor and give who want make him do that. You see me? But that's one of them thing there.
Shows say you have bigger crowd in the street and you have more street credibility. The street credibility than Alkaline. Cause we don't look on Alkaline crowd and look on Cartel crowd. You can't judge who are the bigger artists. I pay a style Cartel a pull more. But we like it still in a Cartel. As me say, you know, for you come back from prison, the dance all nice in the dog. And you as a man, you live for the music, you love music, you can't see it, you know. I mean like that about you, you know, you're competitive. You as a man,
You mean, what you mean? Love music or love social media? Cause me see him on the media every day, me see something, so me not see music every day. You see me? So, I don't know, to me, more active in the media than active in the music. You see me?
love it freaky. You might not go lyrical, you know, but you just love it drama, you understand? Maybe that's why your name Vibes Cartel. But on a serious note, man, it seems like only Alkaline can dry you out, man. The man dry you out, wicked dog. Because Cartel in the America good in the 2 Rolls Royce, the man driving a dog. The man buying a dog. So that means one for Monday, one for Tuesday, one for Wednesday, one for Thursday. I mean, he said the man a plan for buy a jet. And the man left all of that and say, yeah, the man go down. He can't sit down in the mansion, dog. Because guess what, Alkaline a run the road. And he now make that happen. Correct?
Then that's so it go, man. You see me now, he's a brother. What me can credit him with, say, as him age, him always want to keep active and in the talk about. You see me? Him always want him name calls, so it's a good thing that is marketed in the same way, so. You see me? So if I that him have to do for get a talk about or stay relevant in a dancehall, I'm not gonna bash him for that. You see me? I have to do that for, you know, market himself same way. Than nah do it and nobody not hear about him or you see what I'm trying to say? Yeah.
I know Alkaline how to take away the whole of the man's street cred, dog. The man put on the vibes from dog. Come on, me there look for Cartel touch yard for now, dog. Until when I Sunfest time. Yeah, man, the man can't sit down comfortable, man. The man says Alkaline over take over the thing, dog. Alkaline drop the man wicked, dog. Cartel can't tell me nothing say Alkaline to drive out, man.
But the thing is that, you know, Alkaline do music. And music, you know, make Alkaline get the talk about. Cartel now are more like controversy things and no music. So whatever Alkaline do, music video, him outside of the music video and him drop him music, him drop an album with songs and all of them good girl, everything. You understand? That with Alkaline, the conversation around Alkaline, it's about music. You see me? With Cartel now, it's not really music, it's more like controversy. Like what you say, yo, Cartel fly down with Alkaline, really this, that, and no music. You see me? I'm more like a video thing, controversy, and all of them good thing there. You see me? I just 2 different energy.
Boy, man, I pre the vendetta boss, dog. Wicked. Well, Alkaline only yellow could have drive out, because me see Massacre try and, you know, work, you know? So we go see what go on in the future still, because if Alkaline smart, he does drop a one track on him and see how he go digest that, you know? Because it seems like some boy Cartel I say, yo, I want that little man here. I want this brother here. As Alkaline say, yo, you might wait in third. So we just go and wait and see what go on.
But remember Cartel say, yo, him can't stop Alkaline and Alkaline can't stop him. You understand? Which Alkaline never try to stop him. You see me? So, Alkaline just use music and dominate right now. Him not use, and it's not a brother. Cartel depend on the media every day, Alkaline depend on the media every day. You see me? So Cartel have to do what he have to do to stay relevant at the moment. Can't bash him for that. You see me? Yeah, cause he might do that for the talk about and every little thing. You see it? If that him can do for kinda, the talk about, do it. You see me? But Alkaline now, Alkaline and music him a deal with, album and in performance, a show and all of them look. I don't know regular day-to-day thing. You see me? Like how Cartel, when Cartel a trim, video, everything him do. Everything him video. You understand? So it's like more like a daily life thing him do. Daily vlogging him do. You see me? Without music. So Cartel, Alkaline, just music him deal with. You see it?
Dancehall music, dance to Alkaline. Yeah, man, I see Sean Starmer dance to Alkaline song, man. I know what it does. I remember they have to say about that. Because guess what? The man they will hold the fifth and the man they where they at the front of the line. They really care because they make their money. They don't care about Alkaline and this. And I'm
Yeah, and brother, come on, I just music, bro. Like, chance time I wine some girl and some good thing, brother. Like, song bad. I just, my wine girl. Him not appreciate Alkaline, make him not go wine couple girl and one bag of thing, brother. If song bad, just bad, brother. You understand? Remember, say Matsus forward out and I talk about Alkaline song. Them a listen to Alkaline song. You see me? Maybe in the media, them not go show that, but them a listen to him music. You see me? Them a listen.
city where most of the Gaza fans them are trying to divide the thing. You get me? I say, I know how to feel now yourself. Because some man don't need to get a job there or find a gal or something. You get me? I say, we can just come with this bag of animosity and form this imaginary line in our mind. Gaza vendetta at war. Nobody not no war, dog. The man where they on the front line, you see the man might enjoy themselves. You know, see a buckle shot cartel a pop in a club. The man don't care about Alkaline or nothing. Or, you get me? As the man do their own thing. And some man out there about them and rep the Gaza and if you get a job, dog. And I take a thing too personal and that me I tell you no.
Yeah, man, because some of them love man. And that's the problem. Man, them love. You see it. So everything what Alkaline do, them try to say, oh, yo, Alkaline a follow cartel, this, that, very. Them not care about the music, bro. You see me? That are the thing, them not care. Same like how when Cartel did it, and them a bust Blanca for the song. And when them interview me, man I say, yo, brother, me know who for song, like, me a bust a blank. We know what you mean by me no know. You understand? Because them don't understand music thing, bro. Them are some man feelings thing them depend, You understand? So them meds. You see it?
Well, like when I fool and want war other something there. Other artists because of Gaza and you know just stupid. I know everything boils down back to music, dog. And music we love, some man does love man. You get me I say? Music and that we out just a rep. And that represent music. You know? So if a man come out with a song and in a hat, it no matter who, it no matter how talented it might be, we'll talk. And we'll share our opinion. We can't go like someone want to beat people because of people opinion. You get me I say? Nah man, that can't go on and see Shiva come prove the wrong there. There's no animosity, dog. When they just do their thing, they might not deal, yes.
You know that are the thing that them not understanding. The man them just talk about things and brother music. At the end of the day, you see me, music, the man them are meds. Man them not meds man, brother. So if them want to get up every day and talk about song and this and that, brother, that not carry on with that. You see me, at the end of the day, music make you know the artist, And never them personal life. The music make them rich. You see me, music make you become a fan. So when I know where them are you see it?
Because nobody they know laughy thing that. But on a serious note, when I take a thing too personal, man, get a job, man. Or find a girl, dog. Don't find no Gaza. Remember, you get me as I need to get a girl, dog. I'm too late and loose.
Yeah, man, that are the thing. Enough of them you see forward out in the media. If one sit down in a car, one do this, every day them get up, them a cuss, and you can know them not a woman. You understand? Because if then they have woman, the woman would not say, yo, I want to that youth. Every day them get up a cuss over one man or one bag of thing. You see me? I saw them man, the pre-brother, them not have nothing to do. Go and get up every day event. You see me? Or that with them. Them not really care about the culture of the music, you know. If them they really care, they wouldn't forward out here say certain things. You see it? Yeah man, and music, if you rate music, you have to just give credit to the music. You see me? Not because you didn't rate the artist means that the artist have good music. You see it? I just one of them things there, but them money out there some people. Money forward to kill the culture, yeah man. I just one of them things there, you see it? Yeah man, I one of them things there. But as me say people, Miami New Rules, get no tickets. So no know a thing said tag loud. You see me, that going to be a next series. I just one of them things there. Enough of them I say, yo, ticket now go sell now 1 month time, this and that, then we go watch and see. You understand? Cause so stay. Anything with Alkaline, man, them always try to find excuses and all of them little things. Is it? Yeah man, but you don't know data boss always approve them wrong. You see me? I just one of them thing the people, you see me? And if you big up the people, them say, yo, respect for the support same way. Yeah man, big up on yourself. I hope on stay safe out there, you see me? Yeah man, but you don't know who they are putting the work same way. Yeah man, who they are putting the work, man, you see it? Yeah, but you don't know. I think them say what Alka for job video, I don't know what kind of thing I forward, you know, you see me? But look out for that thing there, you see it? Yeah man, but you don't know. New rules, you don't know, and then you know the boss I got touch on in a Guyana, the 23rd. And you don't know in the summer him have Antigua and him have Dream Weekend I go loud as well. You see me? So now for just tune into that one day too, you see me? Yeah man. I go loud man. When the boss are going good for a year already. You see it? As him say, our world, you're not seen nothing yet. Winnings are bad at them stress. You see me? Of course, because every day them get up, them crash out, them this and that, and you see me? You know the fight. You see it? But no, Alkaline always approve them wrong. You see me? But them watch, them talk about Alkaline every day, and him not talk about them not one day. You see me? I really enough for them undercover and them rate Alkaline. You see me? I just so them can't get the access to him. You see me? Them try to bring him down. But as Alkaline say, yo, if him did a sit down and chat up with them, he would have be them favorite. And I really think that. Cause right now them see Alkaline nice street, man. A different energy. Man say, yo, wow, go and big up. I and do it too. You see me? But people, when you don't know one media facts, big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah man, that is it.